Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use gradient maps in Photoshop to completely change the mood, color, tone of your image, and how combining these with different blending modes can create really amazing and cinematic results. Start by importing your image and then go to the adjustment panel and add a gradient map. So the dark areas of your image will take the gradient's left color and the highlights will take the right color. So by adjusting the gradient, you're basically recoloring your shadows and your highlights. You can obviously add more than 2 colors. Those will affect the midtones. Now duplicate that gradient map and change its colors, change its blending mode. You can try soft light for subtle color grading, overlay for more contrast, or color to shift entirely the tone of it. You can adjust the opacity to control the intensity of the gradient map. When you're stacking multiple gradient maps with different blending modes, you can build depth, you can build emotion, you can use it to tell your story or the story you want to convey with that image. You can get some really stylized or really cinematic shots with this. Here's just an example of what you can achieve by using this technique. Let me know if you like it, and I'll see you soon.